These are the elevators at this is the elevator Greenwood Park Mall in Von Maur, Greenwood, Indiana.
Please keep small children away from the door. First floor.
2. Here we go. Beautiful. Definitely MEI. Here are 2. 1.
Elevator door is opening. Please keep small children away from the door. Floor 2.
Definitely a unique one here. Very nice. Look at the ceiling. Who you see high? Here's Fixtures and Survivor. Hands-free code pine phone. What's capacity? Or does it not say? Oh, it doesn't say. Seems to be 3,500 pounds.
Please keep small children away from the door. First floor.
We'll end up on the 2nd floor. Very nice.
This elevator door is opening. Please keep small children away from the door. 2nd floor.
That's it.